Today is June 13th, which is my birthday. I'm turning 22 today, and I thought it would be fun to take you along with me today. I started my day at 8:30 with a very relaxed morning. And now I'm getting ready to work out with my sister. As you can probably see, I'm super sweaty and red because I just finished the workout with my sister. I'm now going to shower and get ready for the day. Actually, before showering, I decided I need to upload my YouTube video for today and then I'll shower. The video I uploaded today is a 15-minute gazpacho recipe. It's a cold summer soup that is delicious. So if you haven't yet, make sure to check it out. So I finished getting ready and then I talked with my grandma, and I think now we're heading out for a picnic to have some brunch. I had such an amazing time at the park. We talked a lot, we laughed a lot. It was such a great experience, and I also got to talk with my cousin in Israel as well as with my grandparents in Argentina. And I think now we're going to have cake. After the delicious fruit and cake, I got some very thoughtful gifts from my family, as well as some wonderful cards that warmed my heart. And now I'm actually walking through the park to meet up with my friend, and we'll do a social distancing walk and I'll show you a little bit of it. My 22nd birthday celebration. It is now 12:50 a.m. of June 14th, so it's officially over. I had such an amazing time with my family and with my friends. I laughed and we talked so much. It was a lot of fun. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like it. If it was your first time, make sure to subscribe to join the Living Life Simply community, and I will see you very soon with a new video. Bye!